Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today on Outside with Jeff. Today we're going to be doing a little work inside the home. Got a Maytag 2000 series dryer with a failed heating element. It's no longer heating, so essentially I'm going to go ahead and replace the heating element. Got a new one here. It also came with new thermal fuses and a couple other components. We're going to go ahead and get everything swapped out today. So I already have it partially disassembled. Be sure you always unplug your appliances before working on them. So we're going to go ahead and start removing the sheet metal screws that hold the heater in place. Set those to the side. Looks like we have 4 sheet metal screws that are holding this safety cover in place. This dryer is I believe it's about 10 years old. We replaced the rollers and belt on it about 6 months ago, and now the heater has failed. But that's not bad for an appliance that's, I believe it's about 10 years old. It's always much cheaper to repair than it is to replace. So, all right, got those sheet metal screws out. Now we can remove the top plate here. Let's see, up and out. There we go. Yeah, let's see here. Don't see. Looks like it might have got hot back here at one point. We'll get these connections off. Got the white line on top. And we're gonna pull the heater out. Yeah, got really hot right there. Burnt through. Go ahead and put this new universal in its place. Got this hook. Line that hook up. Bend that in. There we go. Perfect. Red and white on the top. Solid red on the bottom. Good deal. Make sure everything's lined up nicely. And we'll go ahead and start replacing these other components that it came with, one at a time. Of course, so we don't get anything mixed up. Drop the screw. Let's see here. We've got a L14061 44C. That's what we have here. We don't want to get this absolutely tightened down yet, because once we bring that top piece in, we're going to have to line those screws up. We'll go ahead and take this one out. This is a fairly straightforward installation. You just want to be mindful that you're safe. If you want to take photos as you go along so that you don't get anything mixed up, we'll verify these part numbers. KDH 352 degrees. KSD. That should do it. There we go. Plug back in. Plug back in. Go ahead and get this cover back into position. It goes down and rotates down. There are clips, fins rather, that line up and help to keep the heating element in position. So you want to make sure you get those lined up properly. Line up your sheet metal screw holes. It's gonna be a little tricky. Back one down here. Get this one started. Gotta push it in position, get everything lined up real good. Go ahead and get this back. One more on the far back. Some models don't require this much of the dryer to be taken apart to work on, but unfortunately there was just no clearance to get to those screws without taking apart this far. Now that we have that cover installed, we can go ahead and put these top screws back in. Cramp. All right, everything's got good connections. Now we have two more parts that we're going to go ahead and put in right here, just because the kit did come with them. Looks like only one piece. Two of the same. So we're going to pull this. Go ahead. Should be a thermal fuse. Get that tightened down real good. Transfer wires. There we go. Let's see, tight, snugged up. Everything's looking good. Go ahead and get the extra lint out of here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and then we will fire this up. All right. All right, y'all, 12 minutes later, got it all put back together, powered up. Let's see if that heater is working now. Oh yeah, baby. We're gonna have dry clothes in no time.